Immerse yourself in the art of Brazilian baking with this extended Bolo de Rolo recipe. A traditional dessert from Pernambuco that's as intricate as it is flavorful. Bolo de Rolo is a testament to the finesse of Brazilian cuisine, featuring ultra-thin layers of sponge cake rolled with sweet guava paste. Ingredients: for large eggs, at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, sifted, a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, melted, approximately 1 cup of guava paste, softened for easy spreading. Instructions: 1. Preparation. Preheat your oven to 350 F 180 C. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper, ensuring it covers the entire surface to prevent sticking. 2. Make the sponge cake. In a large mixing bowl, whisk the eggs and sugar together until the mixture is pale, fluffy, and has doubled in volume. This process is crucial for achieving the light texture of the cake. 3. Incorporate dry ingredients. Gently fold in the sifted flour and a pinch of salt into the egg mixture, taking care not to deflate the batter. Finally, fold in the melted butter, integrating it thoroughly to maintain the batter's airy consistency. 4. Bake the cake layer. Pour the batter onto the prepared baking sheet, spreading it out into a thin, even layer. The key to Bolo de Rolo is its thinness, which allows for multiple layers when rolled. Bake in the preheated oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cake is just set and lightly golden. 5. Add the guava paste. While the cake is still warm, spread a thin layer of softened guava paste over the surface. The warmth of the cake will help melt the guava paste slightly, making it easier to spread. 6. Roll the cake. Starting from the shorter end, carefully roll the cake into a tight log. Use the parchment paper as a guide to help roll the cake evenly. The first roll is the most important, as it sets the spiral pattern for the entire cake. 7. Cool and serve. Allow the Bolo de Rolo to cool completely before slicing. To serve, cut the cake into thin slices, revealing the beautiful spiral pattern of cake and guava paste. Serving suggestions: Bolo de Rolo is a versatile dessert that can be enjoyed on its own or with a dollop of whipped cream. It's perfect as an elegant dessert for special occasions, or as a delightful treat to accompany your afternoon coffee. Enjoy crafting this extended Brazilian Bolo de Rolo recipe, a culinary masterpiece that brings the flavors and traditions of Brazil to your kitchen. Each slice offers a harmonious blend of sweet guava and tender cake, a true celebration of Brazilian baking artistry.